Have you ever wondered why we're naturally drawn to crowded places? Why do we trust a product more just because others are buying it? It's not a coincidence. It's a survival mechanism called social proof. In the world of high-stakes sales, your product isn't the only thing being judged. Your prospects are looking for a shortcut to trust. Today, we're diving deep into the science of persuasion and how you can use social proof to close more deals. Making a decision is painful, especially in B2B sales. A wrong choice can cost a career. This is where uncertainty kicks in. In moments of doubt, the human brain stops looking at facts and starts looking at people. Psychologist Robert Cialdini proved that we view a behavior as more correct when we see others performing it. In sales, this isn't just showing a logo list. It's about telling a story of a peer who already solved the exact same problem using your solution. Here is your 3-step action plan. First, use similarity. Show a reference that looks exactly like your prospect. Second, use numbers. Don't say many clients. Say 42 companies in your sector. Third, leverage authority via industry experts. Mastering social proof is the difference between chasing clients and having them choose you. Next time, we'll talk about the scarcity principle. Hit subscribe to master the psychology of sales. See you in the next one.